Hey everyone, Andy with barchefs.com. Check this awesome new product out. This is our portable folding LED sushi display. It has hundreds of little moving color visualizations. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery and charges on a standard C-port wire. It's also got these awesome collapsible legs that just fold right in, and that will make transporting this to special events a breeze. So when the unit's set up, it's about 14 inches high, it's about 15 inches wide, and the rear footprint from the front to the back is about 18 inches. Legs do have a little bit of an angle where they stick out for support. So if you want more information on this great product, just visit barchefs.com. You can find this under the food and drink category. Each unit, by the way, weighs 20 pounds, and these are made with solid 3/4 inch cast acrylic. It's the same material we use in our stages, so very tough, very durable. When you want to go charge it, you just flip it over and you're going to find the C port right there in the bottom of it, and your C port just plugs right in like so, and it's ready to charge. This is going to take you a couple hours to charge, and it'll be ready for about 3 more hours on average at your next event.